Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to dropship on AliExpress. As you know guys, AliExpress is one of the most e-commerce platform. Then most dropshippers use AliExpress to ship the product because the suppliers on AliExpress accept dropshipping. As you see guys, it's very easy. So let's get started. First guys, I will pick a random product to show you how to dropship the product and ship the product to the buyer. For example, this product, then just an example. Then guys, after you confirm the price and select the quantity and the color, then go directly and click on buy now. Then make sure to complete all these steps to dropship the product on AliExpress. First guys, you need to change the shipping address because each buyer has the shipping address. Then hit on the shipping address, and you need to change the country. For example, United States. Then guys, you need to tap the name, the last name, and the mobile, and you need to tap the zip code. After you tap the zip code, automatically the shipping address, it will give you two option to add the state and also the zip code. Then after you add in the shipping address, then go directly to the payment method. You need to select, for example, which card or which MasterCard that you are using or which account that you are using, but make sure to contact the seller as a dropshipper. Then on the right side, this is the pin icon. Then select, and you need to send the message as a dropshipper. For example, please ship the order as the order without price. I am a drop shipper. Thank you. Then guys, click on confirm. Then automatically the seller and the supplier on AliExpress automatically send a product without price because it's confirmed that you are a dropshipper. Then when you finish all this step, you can pay now and make the shipping. As you see guys, this is the easy method to dropship the product as a dropshipper on AliExpress. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.